So the next we having the unit of measuring distances in universe. हम क्या यूज करते हैं यूनिवर्स में डिस्टेंसेस को मेजर करने के लिए? We use the light year. Okay, the term light year we used as a unit for measuring distance in the universe. So now what is light year? Light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. Okay, light year क्या है? जितना distance light 1 year में travel करती है, that is called the light year. 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 की power 12 light year is a unit of distance. After the sun, the nearest star is the Proxima Centauri or the Alpha Centauri, we can say. Okay, and the distance between the Proxima Centauri is 4.3 light years. So here you can see in the slide distance from Earth to the Proxima Centauri, the next nearest star. Okay, that is 4.24 light years. Next very important topic, that is constellations. Now what is constellation, students? The group of stars which appears to form some recognizable shapes or pattern is known as constellation. Okay, जब बहुत सारे स्टार्स ग्रुप बनाकर कोई अपीयरेंस या कोई शेप बनाते हैं, recognizable शेप बनाते हैं, उसको हम कहते हैं constellation. Okay, each constellation has given a name signifying an animal, a human being or some other object which is appear to be to resemble. कहता है हर एक constellation को है एक ऐसी शेप है उसकी जो कि एक एनिमल को या ह्यूमन बीइंग को या किसी और ऑब्जेक्ट को रिजेंबल करती है. ओके, सम ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्स्टेलेशन विच वी सी ड्यूरिंग नाइट स्काई आर Ursa Major, Orion, Cassiopeia and Leo Major. Okay, so first we will discuss about Ursa Major, the Ursa Major constellation. Students, Ursa Major constellation consists of 7 bright stars which are arranged in a pattern resembling somewhat a big bear. The Ursa Major constellation is visible during the summer season. Okay, it can be seen during the summer time in the early part of the night. Okay, it is also known as the Big Dipper, the Great Bear Orion or the Saptarishi, we can say. Students, we can locate them in the position of pole star in the night sky with the help of Ursa Major. Okay, the Ursa Major constellation appears to revolve around the pole star in the night sky. So here is the picture of Ursa Major. It's a spoon-like structure. So you can see in the bear एक स्पून लाइक स्ट्रक्चर बन रहा है 7 स्टार. ओके, जिसको हम कहते हैं अर्सा मेजर. ओके, द 7 stars are prominent in this constellation. It appears like a big ladle or a question mark. Okay, there are 3 stars in the handle of the ladle and 4 in its bowl. Now how can we locate the pole star using the Ursa Major? You will look at the 2 stars and the end of the Ursa Major. बाउल के लास्ट वाले 2 stars को आप देखोगे. Okay, imagine a straight line passing through these stars. Okay, extend this imaginary line towards the north direction. This line will leads to a star which is not too bright and this is called the pole star. Okay, want to take the observation, तो आप इसकी लोकेशन क्या हर 2-2 घंटे के बाद रिकॉर्ड करोगे. आप देखोगे कि पोल स्टार फिक्स रहेगा बट अर्सा मेजर उसके अराउंड घूमता रहेगा. आपकी बुक में ये पिक्चर भी गिवन है 17.14 पिक्चर इन एक्टिविटी 17.8. ओके, नेक्स्ट कॉन्स्टेलेशन वी आर हैविंग द Orion constellation. The Orion constellation consists of 7 or 8 bright stars. The Orion constellation is visible to us in the sky during winter season. जो आपका अर्सा मेजर था वो आपको समर्स में दिखता है और जो आपका ओरियन है वो आपको विंटर्स में दिखता है. ओके, द ब्राइटेस्ट स्टार इन द नाइट स्काई इज द सीरियस. ओके, स्टूडेंट्स, ओरियन इज ऑल्सो द वेल नोन कॉन्स्टेलेशन दैट कैन बी सीन ड्यूरिंग इन द लेट इवनिंग्स एज आई टोल्ड यू. इट इज द मोस्ट मैग्निफिकेंट constellation in the sky. It also has 7 or 8 bright stars. Orion is also called the hunter. Okay, the 3 middle stars represent the belt of the hunter and the 4 bright stars arranged to be in the form of quadrilateral. You can see here in the picture 4 stars हैं वो quadrilateral की फॉर्म में अरेंज है. जो सेंटर में 3 stars हैं वो हंटर के बेल्ट को बनाते हैं. ठीक है, the brightest star series is located close to the Orion. जो सीरीज है वो क्लोज होता है बहुत ज्यादा Orion के. उसको हम लोकेट कैसे करते हैं? You can see here the 3 middle stars which indicates the belt of the hunter. When you draw a imaginary line from the belt towards the east, you will locate the Sirius stars. Okay, Now the next we are having Cassiopeia. The Cassiopeia is the another, prominent constellation in the northern sky. It is also visible during winters in the early part of the night. Okay, it looks like a distorted letter W or M. It consists 5 main stars, students. Here you can see in the slide the picture of Cassiopeia. It is seen nearer to the pole star even, and it is also called Sarmishtha, which is the Indian name. Okay, so it's all about the constellation, students. Now the next we are having the solar system. The solar system consists of sun, the 8 planets and their satellites, and thousands of small heavenly bodies such as asteroids, comets, meteors or meteoroids. The sun is the center of the solar system and all the celestial bodies revolve around it. Okay, sun hold them together by its great gravitational pull. In other words, the gravitational attraction between the sun and these celestial keep them revolving around it. The 8 planets in their order of distance from the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Here in the slide even you can see the picture of the various planets around the sun. We shall now discuss the member of the solar system in details. Let's start with the sun. Sun is a star. It is a star around Earth and other planets which revolve. Okay, the sun is a star having a system of planets around it with life of one of its planet called Earth. The sun is an extremely hot object having temperature 6000 degrees Celsius. The sun is not a solid object. The sun consists mostly of hydrogen gas. The sun is the main source of heat and light energy for all the planets of the solar system and their satellites as well. So the next are the planets. Planets are the large celestial objects which revolve around the sun in closed elliptical path, are called orbits. The 8 planets of solar system are, as I told you, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, and students, planets do not have their own light. Okay, a planet is made up of rock, metal or a gas. All the planets revolve around the sun and also rotates on its axis. Okay, जो planets है वो अपनी axis पे भी घूमते हैं और sun के around भी घूमते हैं. Okay. The simplest method of identifying planets from star is that star twinkles whereas planets do not. Also, the planets keep changing their position with respect to the stars. Okay, planets क्या stars के respectively अपने क्या है position को change करते रहते हैं. A planet has a definite path in which it revolves around the sun, which is called the orbit. Okay, जिस मतलब path पे planet sun के around घूमता रहता है, that is called its orbit. Okay, and the time taken by planet to complete one revolution is called its period of revolution. So students, as the period of revolution increases, the distance of the planet from the sun increases. Okay, जैसे जैसे हमारा revolution period increase करता है, वैसे वैसे क्या है, planet और sun का distance क्या है, increase करता रहता है. Okay. Besides the planet revolving around the sun, a planet also rotates on its axis like a planet to complete one rotation is called its period of rotation. Okay, जैसे एक हम बात करें टॉप की, टॉप होता है ना, उसको रिवॉल्व करते तो अपनी एक्सिस पे घूमता रहता है. Okay, the time taken by planet to complete one rotation is called the period of rotation. So it's all about the planet, and the next video we'll discuss about the various planets.